everybody, this is Teresa from Alabama, and today I am going to open up a Christmas gift that I got. Can anybody guess what it is? Probably not. It's something I've been wanting. I brought my daughter one a couple of years ago, and I thought it's time for us to get one. So let's see what's in this box. Okay. Oh, okay. This was actually, it's a Beako bird feeder. This was actually a free gift that they were giving away when you ordered. So before we put it up and put it together, I'm gonna go ahead and recharge the battery. It's got a camera in it. Awful heavy. I mean, compared to a regular birdhouse. There you go. So the main thing we need is to determine where we're going to put it. I want to mount it on a pole, so we're going to have to go to Lowe's and get a pole to put it on. And with us taking that tree out, there's not any shade out here in the front. I don't know if they really need shade when they come and eat. Anyway, there's some on the side of the house. But I've seen the reviews, they're really good. So here's the camera. And there's an app that you look through, and the birds will come up and they'll record. You'll see the birds, from that. So I'm excited. This one has the solar panels with it. It's supposed to help kind of the battery stay charged a little bit better, just like my camera that I have out there on the carport. It's got a solar panel with it. They do have one, there's a little bit more, that actually had the solar panel detached, like my camera, my Wise camera. And if y'all ever need a camera for outdoor, stuff, as far as, keeping an eye on, your carports or your back porch or your front porch or all around the house, even inside. Wise, I recommend Wise, the company Wise. They've been around for a long time, and when they first started out is when I got my first camera, and I haven't been disappointed with that company at all. So, but let's get this unboxed and see what's all inside. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Downloaded the app and waiting to register it and get that going. So also, here's a tidbit about Wi-Fi. Our Wi-Fi has been off since the 23rd on my husband's birthday. And we still do not have Wi-Fi. And our company's AT&T, and we get these crazy texts every day. It should be on by 8 today, or it should be on by 6 today. It's not on. Okay, anyway, here we go. So, as you can see, this is everything that is what needs to be assembled. And this stuff seems like it's very, very good construction as far as being built. Also, there's 3 ways to do this. You can either mount it on a pole, which we're going to do. You can mount it on a tree, or a piece of wood. So here is what they gave us, like a ratchet thing. If you wanted to mount it on a tree, you wrap that around your tree and then you secure it that way. I think that's pretty neat. So obviously somebody at one time or another has put it on a tree. But anyway, ours is going on a pole. Okay, so the first thing it's saying to do is to attach the roof. insert this charging cable, okay, into I think it goes like that. I think. Yeah, these go, this goes. Has nothing to do with this construction, it's just me. Okay. All right, let's see here. Attach the roof. I just say it so easy. Attach the roof. I know there's a picture here that shows it. Okay. You flip it down. Okay. Okay. Saying to do this. Crap, I don't want to. Okay, hold on. Okay, so Carey helped me and did a little manpower there. He got that on there, so that's locked on in. All right, so now it says we can it says you could either put this on or not put it on. I don't know why you wouldn't want it on, you know, for the birds, but let's go ahead and get those screwed in. So this is the screws that came with it. It also comes with this little bitty tool to use to screw it in. So what I do, I get all the screws in lightly and then go and tighten them all up. So what we're gonna have to do now is get this battery out. And it's got a charge. It says it takes about 9 hours to charge. So I'm gonna get it out and put it on the charger. So I did not get to finish the part on how this was put together because I had gotten sick and we've actually only had this up. Carey finished putting it together and we only had this up for like a week now. Haven't seen any birds. They say that takes about a couple of weeks for them to find it. But we decided we could not figure out what to put it on. And we decided just to put it on this pole. And we'll move it, not this pole, but we'll move it if we don't get any in the next week or two somewhere else in the yard. So basically, this right here, the top part, is a solar top part. So that's supposed to help with the battery. And we attached it back here. And this right here lets the bird seed out. So you can do a little bit at a time, or you can put a bunch of it in there, which we got a good bit in there, I think. Also, this wire here is plugged in because this is the solar panel right here. And it's plugged into the battery. Battery is right there. You just open that up, take it out, and recharge it, stick it back in. Pretty simple. All of it's pretty simple. So, I did get a accessory kit free because it was like a Christmas thing, and it has a little bitty flower that's red that has, you can put, sorry, nectar in it for the hummingbirds. So I'm gonna, and they say hummingbirds come out maybe like second week of March around here, so I'm gonna put that out there. So hopefully we'll get some kind of birds soon. Yeah. So, but it does say, if you haven't seen any birds, just take some of the bird seed and drop it on the ground, and hopefully they'll find it and then realize this, you know, right here. So, but anyway, I wanted to go ahead and just end it here, and I will see y'all next time.